Mullen Automotive has announced its latest quarterly results. The company reported strong revenue growth, with $5 million in revenue for the quarter, outperforming all previous quarterly revenue results. This represents a significant increase from the same quarter in 2024, when revenue was just $33,000. Mullen also reported a substantial decrease in net loss, from $132.4 million in fiscal Q2 2024 to approximately $47.1 million in the comparable quarter ending March 31, 2025. CEO and Chairman David Mickery attributed the company's growth to the effectiveness of its strategic initiatives and increasing demand for its vehicles, despite challenging market conditions. In the last quarter, Cash Flow on Wheels, a logistics company, placed an order for 20 Class 3 vehicles, valued at approximately $1.4 million, as part of its efforts to transition to electric vehicles for last-mile delivery. Other notable orders include Global Expert Shipping's purchase of the Mullen 1 Class 1 cargo van for maintenance and material transport tasks, with additional orders to follow. The local government of Orange County, North Carolina, also purchased the Mullen 1 Class 1 EV cargo van, which will be used by the county's Solid Waste Management Department. Mullen also delivered additional Class 1 and Class 3 vehicles to leading universities in Northern and Southern California. These sales and orders demonstrate growing interest in Mullen Automotive's commercial EVs, particularly among organizations seeking to transition to sustainable and environmentally friendly transportation solutions. Mullen commercial EVs have been added to National Auto Fleet Group's NAFG Sourcewell contract, allowing public sector government agencies to purchase Mullen's Class 1 to 3 light-duty trucks, vans, and electric vehicles. To increase awareness and showcase its commercial fleet offerings, Mullen participated in ride and drive events, including ACT Expo and NTEA's Work Truck Week. Then, Bollinger Motors, a majority-owned subsidiary of Mullen Automotive, has also made notable progress. In May 2025, Bollinger delivered a Bollinger B4 Class 4 electric vehicle to the Lower East Side Ecology Center, which will be used as a work truck and delivery truck. Additionally, Bollinger partnered with EnviroCharge to deliver multiple Bollinger B4 trucks for conversion into mobile charging units. Bollinger also announced a strategic partnership with EO Charging to provide comprehensive electrification solutions for its commercial fleet customers and dealers. However, Bollinger Motors was placed into court-appointed receivership by the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Michigan on May 7, 2025. Mullen Automotive is exploring options to challenge and resolve this matter and has engaged litigation counsel. In other developments concerning batteries, Mullen signed a partnership and supply agreement with Empower Greentech Inc., EGI, to build and deliver its Swift Series solid-state battery, SSB. The Empower EGI Swift SSB will be used in commercial vehicles and other industrial applications. Mullen's production of EGI Swift batteries is expected to begin in early 2026 and will be integrated into its existing SSB program in Fullerton, California. The company showcased 30 and 80 kilowatt-hour battery packs at the ACT show in Anaheim, California in May. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.